children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So children, today in this session we are going to learn some sight words and the sentence formation. Okay children, today we are going to learn some sight words. Some of the sight words I am going to write on the board. Am, and, he, he, if, in, is, it, me, my, no, off, on, so, to, us, we. Children, some of the sight words I have written on the board. Once again, I'll repeat. Please repeat after me, children. We'll learn some sight words. Okay, children? Shall I start? Am, an. An. He. He. If. In. Is. It. Me. Me. My. My. No. No. Off. Off. On. On. So. So. To. Us. Us. We. Once again, see children. Am, he, if, in, is, it, me, my, no, off, on, so, to, us, we. Okay children, now I'll write some of the sentences on sight words. Okay? Small sentences children I am writing. So children, am. First I am writing on am. I am going. I am going to sentence, children. General sentence. I am going to school. Can you identify what sight word is hidden in this sentence? Am. I am going to school. Just we are learning how to frame a sentence, a simple sentence on these sight words. Isn't it, children? What first word I have written on am? I am going to school. Okay. Next, I am going to write the sentence on he. Can you please tell me any sentence on he on your own words? Like, he is my friend. He is my friend. So, I have written the sentence on he. I have framed one sentence on he. He is my friend. Next, if. I am writing the sentence on if. If I get late, if I get late, if I get late, I'll miss the bus. I will miss. If I get late, I'll miss the bus. So I have written the sentence on if. Isn't it, children? Next, I am going to write the sentence on in. The cat is in the basket. The cat is in the basket. What is the sight word here, children? The cat is in the basket. In. Next, is. He is going to play. He is going to play. He is going to play. Sight word is. Okay, children, like that I have written some of the sentences on am, he, if, in, is. So now on it also we'll write some sentences. What the sentence I have written on am? I am going to school. You can write another sentence on am. You have to try. Okay. Next, he. On he I have written here, he is my friend. You can write another sentence on your own. Next, if. If I get late, I'll miss the bus. If you get late, you'll definitely miss the school bus, right, children? Next, in. The cat is in the basket. The cat is in the basket. In is the sight word here. He is going to play. Is the sight word I have used in this sentence. Okay, we'll see the next 2 or 3 sentences on these sight words. Next, we'll write the sentence on it. It is my pen. It is my pen. What is the sight word here, children? It. Can you tell me another sentence on it? Yes, you can write the another sentence by using the sight word it in your notebook. Okay, children? Next, we completed. Next, me. Tell me when you will come. Tell me when you will come. Here the sight word is me. Tell me when you will come. Now, can you please tell me using the sight word my another sentence on your own words? You can write in your notebook. Here I am writing one example sentence. I can write the same sentence here also. You can use the same sentence also. It is my pen. Here also sight word my. Or you can write the another sentence on mine. This is my book. Okay, children, you can try the another sentence on mine. Okay, you can try the another sentence on mine. So, like the children, please try to write the sentences using these sight words in your notebook. Okay, please write at least 2 sentences on each sight word. Please write 2 sentences in your notebook. So some of the examples I have given here, you have seen am, he, if, in, is, it, me, my. So you can try on no, of, on, so, to, us, we. Please write using these sight words at least 2 sentences in your notebook and learn. Please learn how to write a sentence using the sight words. Okay, children? Please write down at least 2 sentences on each sight word in your notebook. Just now we have learned some of the sight words and how to write as sentences. And I have already given you to write 2 sentences, at least 2 sentences on sight words. Now, we will see vowels. How many vowels are there in English alphabets and what are the consonants? Today we will see the vowels. Do you know, children, how many vowels are present in English? It is 5. There are 5 vowels present in English. How many vowels, children? 5. What are they? Can you know? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels present in English. Okay? First of all, I'll write A to Z. Then we'll find A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, alphabets are 26. How many alphabets are there, children? Total we have 26 alphabets. We have 26 alphabets. In these 26 alphabets, we have 5 vowels. How many vowels, children? 5. Now I am going to circle vowels, 5 vowels in these 26 alphabets. A, E, I, O, U. So these 5 are called vowels. Then what about remaining alphabets? Except these 5 alphabets, remaining all alphabets are called consonants. Consonants. Vowels. We have 5 vowels and there are A, E, I, O, U. Except these 5, remaining are called consonants. Can you know? Could you please tell me, children, how many consonants are there? Shall we count? So we have to, except we do not count these 5. Okay? Except these 5, we will count the remaining letters and they are consonants. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. How many consonants are there, children? Yes, 21 consonants. I am writing here B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these all are called consonants. So today our concept is, children, we have 26 alphabets in English. In these 26 alphabets, we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. 21 consonants. Are you clear, children? Do you understand how many vowels are there in English and how many consonants are there in English and what are they? So that's about vowels. Okay, children, please write down like this: vowels 5, A, E, I, O, U, A to Z, and circle only vowels. Circle only vowels, and then at the down, vowels 5, A, E, I, O, U, consonants 21, and okay. Now we'll see words. Some of the words are vowels. Some of the words are vowels. Suppose S dash N. Now I have to write one vowel here. What can I do? What I have to write? What letter could I write in this blank? Vowel. Choose only letter from vowel. It can be, yes, Sun, U. I am writing the vowel U. Also, I can write O. S-O-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Okay. Next one, hen. H-N. Please tell me vowel, fill up this blank with the vowel. E. H-E-N. Hen. Next. B-G. Fill up this blank with vowel. I. B-I-G. Big. Next. B-I-G. Big. T-P. Fill up this blank with any vowel. The suitable vowel. The suitable vowel we have to write. I am using here top. T-O-P. Top. We can also write tip. T-I-P. Tip. Okay. We can also write tab. T-A-P. Tab. Okay. P-in. N. What suitable vowel, please tell me? I. P-I-N. Pin. Next, with the same word, use another vowel to fill up this word. E. P-E-N. Pen. Also, P-A-N. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Okay? I'll give you the worksheet on these vowels. I'll send you one worksheet. You can also copy this in your notebook, and you can also write vowels, how many are there, consonants, and please copy this in your notebook. I'll also send one Google form related to this topic. Okay children, then you will understand completely how many vowels and how many consonants and how to use the correct vowel in a word. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you.